So we at the Sandton Convention Centre in Johannesburg. This is South Africa's Dell Technologies Forum. We've got about 1,500 customers and partners with us today, and they're here really just to understand how we can assist them on their digital journey. This year's event, the differentiation is not so much around the content, but I think about what is available for customers in South Africa, and I'm talking here specifically around the hyperscale cloud providers that have landed in South Africa. Last year we were talking about it. This year we can actually do something about it, and I think that's an exciting opportunity for customers to really, move forward with their cloud journeys. Digital transformation, making it real, is really getting involved with customers on that digital journey, and again creating value for them, because in a digital economy it's all about the speed, agility, and the transformation that economies, people, and companies have to go through. And if you can't create that value, you're losing a little bit of it. And in a lot of instances it could be things like utilizing the data that you have with customers and monetizing that, digitally speeding up your processes so that you cut out cost and improve efficiencies. So it could mean a lot of things for a lot of companies, but I think at the heart of it is that you use digital technologies to enhance your current business models. From a Dell Technologies perspective, we're the first vendor that has effectively got a collaboration with all the big hyperscalers, so with Amazon, with Microsoft, with IBM and Google, and a lot of local service providers as well. So the multi-cloud story is real, and it's something that we can deliver in South Africa today. So I think the key component for me is really just go and understand what all the digital transformation messages are, and understand where you are as an organization in terms of your journey. Transform your business, because if you don't, you'll be out of business. Get involved in your business, get involved in society, and get involved in the South African economy.